Investors are immensely bullish on Cardano right now due to growing concerns over Bitcoin and its impacting carbon footprint. For that reason alone, it's put to rise several eco-friendly cryptocurrencies, none more so than Cardano, with being the fifth largest cryptocurrency by market capitalization, its peak hitting $1.80. The coin has risen 10 times in value since January. This is one of the most significant price jumps of any cryptocurrency thus far in the year. Despite the recent crypto market crash, Cardano has steadily upsurged amidst increased market volatility. Now let's take a look at the deeper reasons retailers are pouring money into Cardano. Plain and simple, it's getting smarter. Cardano is functioning at a rate never seen before, and this is exciting investors worldwide. It soon will begin implementing smart contracts, meaning there would be added coding that would authorize automated, self-executing contracts. Smart contracts would allow developers to create applications on top of blockchain platforms like Ethereum's decentralized exchange, Uniswap. The entire DeFi industry is built on smart contracts, much of it taking place on Ethereum, and now it's Cardano's turn. Results from testing prove Cardano can handle high demand. For example, Ethereum's blockchain is very limited in the number of transactions executed per second, leading to massive congestion and longer waiting times. While it can only carry out around 15 transactions per second, Cardano, on the other hand, is showing 250 plus transactions per second with only room to grow. According to developers, Cardano could potentially execute 1 million or more transactions a second. According to 𝐥𝐤𝐬𝐞, founder of Cardano, the network is also precisely 1.6 million times more energy efficient than Bitcoin. Compared to its competitors, Cardano has a much more eco-friendly proof-of-stake system in which investors are rewarded for holding their coins within the network. Unfortunately, Bitcoin is based on proof-of-work systems, which require miners to use high-powered computers to solve complex math puzzles. The use of these heavy-duty computers and the environmental impact it continues to have is part of the reason big corporations like Tesla have decided to stop accepting the cryptocurrency. This is where Cardano gains attraction as retailers transition their investments to more eco-friendly opportunities. Bullish cryptocurrency analysts are predicting growth throughout the entire market within the years and decades to come. Could Cardano's value skyrocket to the moon like other coins have? Well, the foundational structure behind Cardano appears to be strong, and given its current affordable value and promising future for success, many investors view Cardano as an overall rewarding cryptocurrency project. So, what are your thoughts on Cardano? Do you think it's a potential cryptocurrency for the future? Let us know down below in the comments. Also, if you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like and subscribe for more future investor content. Thanks for watching.